July, everyone. It's Kim Odakov and KRODESIGNS back here on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a month plan with me. I am in my Erin Condren colorful vertical binder. I know this is brand new to everybody, and the best part about this thing is I can open it up, take out the pages I want to plan in, and move on. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We'll get to the other pages later, but for now we're just going to work on these guys. Since I've used a lot of other planning systems which make sure that things lay flat while you plan, this makes it so much easier to move it around and get your planning done in a more efficient time period. All right, like everybody else, I love to start with the headers. These are the Paper and Glam headers for 2019, July. Let's get it on here, and I'm going to turn this guy so I can get her on straight. And since there's 3 boxes down here, I love how they're shaded, but I'm going to use the other half of this to put this on the bottom. I'm also going to go ahead and cover up this colorful strip using these Paper and Glam headers. I thought these would be spectacular. I'm just going to alternate the solid colors on the ground. What I also think is very fun is the fact that when you line these up together, you can keep going with your stickers, and thus just go ahead and use a pair of scissors to trim them apart. Then to continue the pattern, I'm just going to put these two apart. And there you go, it's a seamless continuous line all the way across. I'm not going to use the date dots just yet. I'm actually going to put other things on here first and then use the date dots later on those spaces that I haven't done anything with. So I need to actually focus on my days, or the days of the month that correspond with my seasonal living list. So I'm going to go ahead and put down Independence Day first, but I can't just put this on here. Nothing wrong with that. I'm going to highlight it by putting a series of page flags to highlight the day. Our next day is Bikini Day. And there you have it. I'm on vacation the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, so that doesn't matter to me how busy that is because I don't have any events there. Now for the 10th, I've got Pina Colada Day. French Friday on the 13th. Hot Dog Day on the 17th. So to speed up the planning process, I know I need to have a bunch of these Glam Basics filled in with the event. So I'm going to go ahead and do it by using this sticker and then the Glam Hours sheet. There's plenty of hours on here for me to cover what things are going to be happening in July. So I'm going to put you on fast forward when I right away. Now all I have to do is finish up the sidebar. I'm going to use these really cute scalloped glitter headers. And then I have some reoccurring football events, so I'm going to go ahead and use beautiful stars. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the days in which they are reoccurring and then make note on the sidebar. So now that I've got my date dots on, all I need to do is add a few items down here and I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and put it in our binder. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd be more than happy to show you whatever content you'd like. Just leave it in the description box below and I will be more than happy to whip that up for you. All right, guys, thank you so much.